In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy public address on Coinbase Wallet. If you're new to self-custody wallets, your public address is the string of characters you share with others so they can send you crypto. It's safe to share, unlike your recovery phrase or private keys, which must stay secret. We'll walk through the exact taps you need, plus a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app. This is the self-custody wallet and is different from the Coinbase Exchange app. If you have both installed, make sure you're in the wallet with the colorful icon and your Web3 assets. If you use the browser extension, the screens may look slightly different, but the flow is similar. Log in with your account and unlock the wallet with your passcode or biometrics. If you recently reinstalled the app, you might be asked to restore with your recovery phrase. Only do that privately and never share it with anyone. Once you're in, go to Settings, look for the gear icon, typically on the main screen or in a menu. Settings is where you control wallet preferences, connected networks, and account details. Next, tap your account. This section contains your identity within the wallet and gives you access to addresses you can share. Depending on your setup, you may see multiple profiles or accounts tied to different networks. Choose Export Public Address. This option gathers the public address associated with your account. Some versions of the app may ask you to select a specific network or asset first. That's because addresses can differ by blockchain. For example, an address on an Ethereum-compatible network is usually a long string that starts with certain characters, while other networks use different formats. Always pick the network that matches the asset you expect to receive. Finally, tap Copy. Your address is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into a message, email, or transaction request. Many versions of the app also show a QR code alongside the address. If that's visible, you can share the QR in person to make receiving funds easier and avoid typing errors. A few quick tips before you share your address. Double check the network to match what the sender will use, since sending to the wrong chain can cause loss of funds. Consider pasting the address into a note and visually confirming it matches what appears in the app, especially the first and last few characters. And remember, public addresses are fine to share, but never share your recovery phrase or any security codes. That's all you need to copy your public address in Coinbase Wallet.